Hi, good morning and good evening, everyone. Maybe all of you from India. Uh, Salesforce basic admin is I am going to handle. After basics, Swapna will teach advanced concepts in Salesforce. Because creating org, creating fields, objects, knowing about standard and custom fields, relationships, those things are required at very basic level. Swapna won't teach those things because it is time waste for you people as well. By the time we go to that level, I am going to take about 15 sessions for 3 weeks. In these 15 sessions, I will make you perfect with the Salesforce functionality. After that, Swapna will continue. So in today's session, we are going to see Salesforce Classic screen, Salesforce Lightning screen, and creating developer edition account. We will see organization profile whenever we create a developer edition account. There we have to give our company details because Salesforce give licenses only to the organization, not to the individuals. And whenever we take license, what happens behind backend, what happens, what Salesforce application does, how it happens. And we will see the process flow, how end user uses application, what IT company does, what client does, who is client, how IT companies get projects, and what end user does with that application. All those things we will see. And in the middle, we will have questions for each and every topic. So after completing the topic, I am going to ask, do you have any questions? You can ask me, or else in middle, if you don't understand something, you can stop me and ask your questions. After completing each and every topic, I am going to ask questions. So you have to answer. So let us go to our first slide today. I am telling two. One is classic, second one is lightning. What is this classic and what is this lightning? Have you seen anywhere this classic and lightning applications? Did you see this classic and lightning application anytime? If you have Facebook account, if you open that account in browser, in laptop, you can see two kinds of applications. One is classic application, another one is lighting application. The difference between these two applications are in classic, the look and feel is normal. The look and feel of classic application is normal. We can't see many colors. We don't see high rich and look feel. And the loading time for this classic is more. And the performance of classic applications are less when compared to lightning. When load, so these three are drawbacks of classic application. In the lightning application, we can see high rich look and feel. Here we'll have normal look and feel. Whenever we open any application, we feel this application seems good. If we open some application, we don't feel that much good. The font and the structure of the application, everything, it is something different. So people prefer to have rich look and feel applications. And here loading time is less. When you open application, immediately it will opens. And the performance of the pages are very good. It is high. Because of these reasons, organizations prefer to have Lightning applications so that their users will have good experience. Users prefers to have Lightning applications, not classic applications. So in Salesforce, we have two kinds of applications. One is classic and second one is Lightning. In the classic application, when you open classic application, mainly we will see 5 parts. We will see 5 parts in classic application. You can see here. First one is URL. This is the second part. This is third part. This is fourth and this is fifth. These are the 5 parts in classic screen, classic application. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the URL. This second one is main menu. And this is the sidebar. This is the main section. In this 5 part, first one is URL. Second one is main menu. Third one is tab bar. Fourth one, sidebar. Fifth one, main section. These are the 5 parts in classic. If you open classic application, CDCA March 02. We will create this account today. But first we will see what application we can see. This is the classic application. Here you can see URL. This is the first part. And this is the second part. Yeah, I'll provide notes after class. Recording session also. This is the main menu. And this is the tab bar, third part. This is the sidebar. And this is the main section. These are the 5 parts in classic application. Everybody understood this, right? Vittal, Ajay, Srinivas, Omkar. It is clear, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
These are the 5 parts in Salesforce classic application. And one more part is here in the classic application. If you see this top corner, you can see this part. This is called app launcher. In the main menu on the top right corner, we have one app launcher. In this app launcher, we can see different applications. Marketing, sales, and service. These are the main applications. There are other applications, no need to remember now. But in app launcher, we can see marketing, sales, and service applications. These are the three important applications. Those are available in app launcher. What we can see on the top right corner in the main menu, app launcher. In the app launcher, we can see marketing, sales, and service applications. So this part is clear, right? This is the one of the part we want to discuss in today's session. Now we will go for questions. How many parts are there in class screen? Answer. How many parts are there in class screen?
5 parts.
What are the different parts in class screen?
URL, main menu, tab bar, sidebar, main section.
So what is main part in main menu?
On the below the URL, the main menu is presented.
This is app launcher.
App launcher.
What can be seen in app launcher? What applications we see in app launcher?
Marketing, sales, and service.
Okay, those are the three applications we can see in app launcher.
Yeah.
So that is the first part. In the second part, like in the classic, we can see in Lightning as well. So what I am doing here, I am switching to Lightning experience by clicking on this option. So same like classic, we can see 5 parts in Lightning as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see 5 parts, right? First part is URL. Second part is main menu. Third part is, there we have called tab bar in classic. In Lightning, we call this as navigation bar. This fourth one is one layout and fifth one is another layout. These are called as components. So these 5 parts are available in Lightning as well. The first part is URL, second part is main menu, third part is navigation bar, fourth part is component, fifth part is one more component. These are the 5 parts. This is the layout. In this layout, we have 2 components. So write down that. In the Lightning as well, we have 5 parts. First part is URL. Second part is main menu. Here we have navigation bar. Here we have a layout. In this layout, we have component. And we have another layout that is also a component. These are the 5 parts. Remember this. So here in this, we have one option here. This option is app launcher. This option is available on navigation bar. Where is this available? It is on navigation bar. If you click this in the classic, If you click on the top corner, you can see the app launcher. In that app launcher, you can see marketing, sales, and service application. In the Lightning, that app launcher is available on navigation bar. See these 9 dots. If you click on this navigation bar, you can see marketing, service, sales applications. If you click on view all, see this marketing, sales, and service application. These 3 applications are available. Along with these other applications are there. We will discuss about them later. The main applications are marketing, sales, and service applications, because 80% of the projects are on sales, marketing, service. So now we are discussing about those. Swapna will explain remaining things. So here on navigation bar, we have app launcher. In the app launcher, we have marketing, sales, and service applications. This is also clear. Any questions on this?
Yeah, all clear.
So now we will go for questions. So how many parts are there in Lightning screen?
5 parts are there.
What are different parts in Lightning screen?
URL, main menu,
Yes.
navigation,
Navigation bar, then
a layout component, and other one is layout component.
okay, those are the 5 parts. Now, what is main part on navigation bar?
App launcher,
What we can see in app launcher?
marketing, sales, and service.
Okay, these are the 3 application we can see. So that is also done. Next. Now, how I came to that application? How to create Salesforce Developer Edition account. Now, if you take any technology, .NET, Java, or some other technologies, they provide some software. Salesforce also provides software. What kind of software is this? Salesforce software. What kind of software is this? Salesforce is cloud software. Cloud concept. In this cloud concept, by using browser and internet, we can access the applications. So to access that application, we need to create account. We need to have one account. That is nothing but purchasing license. From whom we have to purchase license? From whom we have to purchase license? Now you are using Salesforce. You are going to learn Salesforce technology. From whom you have to purchase license? From Salesforce. How you purchase license? Salesforce is providing free license and paid license. 2 kinds of licenses they are providing. First one is free license and second one is paid license. Now we are learning Salesforce. I want to create one small application. For that, I can use free license and I can create my account. I can log into Salesforce applications without paying anything, with zero money. No need to pay anything. With zero money, I can log into the application. I can take Salesforce license. I can build applications. So for that, what you have to do is you have to go to developer.salesforce.com/signup. You have to create this account today. Go to Google, type this. Sign up for your Salesforce Developer Edition account. This is for practicing. You can create your own applications. when you are creating your own applications, it is almost similar to your real-time application. There is no difference. There are different editions in the Salesforce. There are different editions. Right now, not discussing about edition. We have developer edition. By using this, we can practice. Name itself, it is showing developer edition. Means developers or administrator can practice or they can create applications. This developer edition is similar to enterprise edition. Whatever the features we see in developer edition, those features are available in enterprise edition, which is used by organizations. And usually 99% of the organizations uses unlimited edition. But even though there is no much difference between developer edition and unlimited edition. So if somebody asks you which edition you are using, you can say you are using unlimited edition. No need to say I am using developer edition. Because there are same features, no difference. So what are the differences we see later. But you can say you are using unlimited edition. Real time, all organizations uses unlimited edition. This is clear, right? Any doubts? So now when you open this, it is asking few details. What details it is asking? 8 details it asks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First one is first name. I am entering Madhusudan Reddy. Email address is valid email you have to give. CDCA salesforce@gmail.com. Job role. Every company will have. When you are joining a company, there will be a role. Without role, you cannot join in a company. So I am entering IT manager or executive. Company name I am entering CDCA. My company is CDCA. You can enter anything. Role anything you can enter. Company anything you can enter. Even you can enter ABC or your name as well you can enter. It won't verify whether that company exists or not. Country. In which country you are residing? I am in India. Enter India. Your PIN code. I am in Madhapur. PIN code is 5,81,000. Whatever your PIN code, enter them. Username. It should be in email format. CDCA March 04 @gmail.com I am giving. You can give same email ID like this. cdcasalesforce.com @gmail.com. You can give here as well. Same username and same email ID you can give. Email ID must be valid. Then click on I agree. Then sign me up. So what details we have entered here? To create developer edition account, 8 fields we have entered. What are those 8 fields? First one. What is first field?
Name.
First name. Second one.
Last name.
Last name. Third one. Email ID. It should be a valid email ID because they will send verification email. And fourth one, role. And fifth one, company name. I have entered CDCA. You can enter anything. You can also enter CDCA. And sixth one, country. India. 7th one, postal code. 8th, username. Eighth one is a username. This is in email format. It should be unique. Okay, these are the 8 details we have entered. When you clicked on sign up, please check your email to confirm your account. So we have received one email. Check that email. So sometimes it takes time. I have another account, same process. I am verifying the email. Once you verify email, it is asking for password. Enter password. And it is asking for birth city. Change password. It entered into application. This is the way how you create application. Here, when you enter first time, it is showing Lightning application. You can switch to classic application. By clicking on this, you can switch to classic application. And if here option is the same application we are seeing. You can select the application, marketing. If you select marketing application, check what is happening on the tab bar. It is changing. Options which it is showing here, these are called tabs. Tabs are changing. Sales application, if you select, tab bar is changed. There might be common tabs between sales and marketing or service. If you click on service, see. Based on the application you have selected, based on that, these features are changing. Based on the application, the content related to that application it is displaying. So when we took license, we have got this application. You understood, right? How to create Salesforce or Developer Edition account? How to create Salesforce Developer Edition account? What to do? How to create Salesforce Developer Edition account? Which website we have to go?
Developer.salesforce.com.
Okay, sign up. Developer.salesforce.com. Sign up. Then what are the important details to enter to create a Salesforce Edition account? How many details we have to give? How many fields we have to give?
8.
What are those 8 fields?
First name, last name,
Yes.
email ID,
Yes.
job roles,
Yeah.
company name,
Yes. After company name?
username,
After company name. Country.
country,
Then after country,
username,
postal code.
postal code, then username.
Then username. Those are the 8 details we need to enter to create Salesforce Developer Edition account. Once we enter and click on sign up, we get verification email. If you click on verification email, it will redirect us to change the password. Enter password, enter your security question. then click on change password. You will be logged into Salesforce application. Once you logged into Salesforce application, you have to remember few things. There we can see organization profile. If you go to organization profile, how you can go to organization profile? Click on this setup. First setup. Here you can see administer. In administer, there is company profile. Under company profile, you can see company information. What is the navigation here? Setup first. Setup, administer, setup, administer, then company profile, company information. 4 steps: setup, administer, company profile, company information. Remember, right? What are the navigation steps to enter company information? Tell.
Setup, go on administer, then click on add company profile,
then company
and
information.
company information.
So if you go click on company information, you can see organization profile. If somebody asks you how to see organization profile, you have to say go to setup, then administer, then company profile, company information. There you can see organization profile. In this, what you can see is organization name you can see. We have given CDCA strategic trainings. And who is primary contact? Whoever the first name, last name entered, that person is the primary contact. Which country we have given? India. So we have got this time zone. India Standard Time, IST. Then you have to observe here one thing. Organization edition. Which edition we have created? Unlimited edition or developer edition?
Developer edition.
So that's why it is showing developer edition. For you, when you are working, it shows unlimited edition here. So now here you have to remember few things. This one, see, used data space, used file space you are seeing, right? Data space and file space. One more thing, here it is showing instance. AP16. Saw this? AP16 is the instance and file space is this one, data space is this. Click on view. See this? Data storage is limit 5 MB. File storage limit is 20 MB. So here, what is your instance?
AP16.
And what is data space? How much memory space is allocated for data storage?
13.
5 MB. How much file storage?
13.
20 MB. You can see here. File storage is 20 MB, data storage is 5 MB. Right? So what happened here? In the organization profile, we are seeing 5 MB data storage and 20 MB file storage. And one more thing what we are seeing here is in the company information in organization profile, we are seeing something called instance AP16. Instance AP16. These three we are seeing. What is this? So what happened in the back end? What happened in the back end? Why we are seeing that? Whenever we take license from Salesforce, they have allocated some memory space. They have allocated some memory space. How much memory space is that? For data, how much? How much for data? Data storage, how much? How much data storage they have given? How much, Divya? How much storage they have given? Srinivas, Vittal, Omkar? 5 MB. And how much file storage they have given?
20.
20 MB. 20 MB file storage and 5 MB data storage they have given. So where we are seeing one instance, right? Instance. In which instance?
AP16.
So whenever we have taken license from Salesforce, they have allocated some memory space. Where they have allocated that memory space? In a instance. So whenever you enter data, where that data gets stored? In database.com. Salesforce has a database name, database.com. This database.com is available in an instance. This is nothing but a server. This is a server. In Salesforce, servers are called as instances. Instance. This is an instance. Memory allocation depends on the edition. Based on the edition, memory allocation, memory space depends. That is only the difference we see between free editions and paid editions and some other features, not all. For developer edition, they gave 5 MB. Data storage, 20 MB file storage. They have allocated one server, one instance. In AP16 instance, they have allocated 5 MB data storage and 20 MB file storage. And what they have given along with memory storage, what is this application? What they have given here? They have given marketing application, right? They have given sales application. And they have given service application. They have given service application. These three applications they have given here. What is this called? What is this called? What is this called? This is a Salesforce CRM. This is called Salesforce CRM. This is Salesforce CRM. This Salesforce CRM is a ready-made application provided by Salesforce. Why this is called ready-made application? This is the ready-made application provided by Salesforce. Why this is ready-made application? Why we are calling this as a ready-made application? If you go to any store or any shop, if you buy shirt, that we call as ready-made shirt. If you buy some cloth and if you go to tailor and stitch it, it is not ready-made. You are taking it from scratch. Whenever you take license from Salesforce, they have provided memory space in the instance. They have provided database. In that database, we can store the data. Where the database.com is storing in an instance. Along with that, along with the storage and database, they are providing Salesforce CRM. This is a ready-made application. What Salesforce CRM contains? What application they have? Marketing. They have sales application. They have service application. 3 applications they have, right? They have these 3 applications, right? Any questions on this?
No.
So they are providing Salesforce CRM. That CRM contains marketing, sales, and service applications. You are without doing anything when you take license from Salesforce, they have provided this. For example, now I am a CDCA company. I am a CDCA. My institute is CDCA. Or some other bank, HDFC Bank, they want to use Salesforce application. When you log into Salesforce application with the license, what it is showing here? Salesforce it is showing. Who uses this Salesforce application if HDFC Bank take this Salesforce application? Who uses? Who uses this HDFC application? HDFC customers, right? HDFC customers uses. Those are the end users. So whenever they come to this application, what they have to see? What they have to see? What they are seeing here. I am a HDFC Bank customer. I have HDFC Bank. I am seeing HDFC logo here. But what I am seeing here? What is here? Salesforce logo. Do I need to change this or not? I have to see HDFC logo, or I have to see CDCA logo. I am end user. When you log into HDFC, or if you log into any of your bank, you will see HDFC or ICICI or your own bank, right? That is your bank logos we will see. But if you take Salesforce license, you are seeing here Salesforce logo. You have to change this logo. How you will change? Directly, can we change this? We need something. So where train runs? Train is there. There is a seat. This is a storage. This is a ready-made application. If you want to get into train, from where you will go? Platform, right? From platform, you will enter into train. Without platform, you cannot enter into train. Between these two, between the storage and between Salesforce application, there is a platform. That platform is called, there is a platform. That platform is called force.com. If this platform is available, then only that Salesforce application works. Whenever you take license from Salesforce, you have got one Salesforce CRM and you have got storage. to store the application and to store data. And you have a platform. By using this platform, you can customize this application. You can configure this application. You can change the Salesforce logo to HDFC logo, or you can change to any other logo. Or if you want to change these colors, you can change. If you have that platform, you can do everything. So any cloud vendor provides 3 kinds of services. Cloud vendor provides 3 kinds of services. First one is software as a service. This is called SaaS. Second one is platform as a service. And third one is infrastructure as a service. This is PaaS. This is IaaS. Software as a service means it is a ready-made application. Platform as a service means it is a development environment where you can customize the application, configure the application. You can develop your own application. Infrastructure as a service is it is a storage mechanism. Instance. Now you just tell me what is everything here. Here, which is software as a service, which is platform as a service, which is infrastructure as a service. Tell me. This one is what? Salesforce CRM. Salesforce CRM is what?
Software as a service.
Force.com is what?
Platform as a service.
And this one is what?
Infrastructure as a service.
So, as part of software as a service, Salesforce is providing Salesforce CRM. It contains marketing, sales, and service applications. They are providing, as part of platform as a service, they are providing Force.com platform. By using this, you can customize, configure existing Salesforce CRM application, and you can create new applications from scratch. And to store data and that application, they are providing memory space in instance as part of infrastructure as a service. This part is clear or not? This part is clear or not? Divya, Vital, Sai Krishna, Omkar, Srinivas, Ajay.
Yes, sir. Just now I joined.
Okay.
3 p.m. sir.
This part is clear. Any doubts in this?
Yes, please.
Okay. Now answer questions. What Salesforce is providing as part of software as a service? What they are providing as part of software as a service? What they are providing? What they are providing? What they are providing?
Ready-made.
Huh?
Ready-made application.
Ready-made application.
What is the ready-made application?
CRM.
It's like apps. We can create the apps and features.
Salesforce application, Salesforce CRM. What Salesforce CRM contains?
Service, sales, Market.
Marketing, sales and service application. What Salesforce is providing as part of platform as a service?
Flatforce.com.
Okay. What Salesforce is providing as part of infrastructure as a service?
Storage.
Storage.
So storage spaces, memory space they are providing. This is clear for everyone, right?
Yes.
So now we will move to one more part. Here you have to understand very clearly what we are going to do during our course I am explaining. Okay, please understand it very clearly. Now, we are providing training. To whom we are providing training? To whom?
Students.
To students. Now, some company, TCS, came to us and they said, we provide software applications. There one technology is called Salesforce. If you use that Salesforce, you can easily automate your business. When I am doing business, when I am providing training to students, am I doing business or not? Is this a business or not?
Yes.
For this business, I want to automate, but I don't know how to automate. By using this, what I can do to automate the business process means what I have to do. How you came to this session? How you know? How you came to this session? How you know about us?
WhatsApp information is on website.
So we have conducted some marketing activities. Might be through WhatsApp or might be through LinkedIn or might be through YouTube. So somewhere else. Might be some of your friend has said they
Instagram.
have. Yeah, Instagram. So in different ways, we have done marketing. This we have done manually. We have not used any tool. So after marketing, you are attending this session. If you like this session, what we will do? Sales, right? So what you will do? You will pay money through GPay or PhonePe. Or you may send to our bank account, right? These are the only option. Or you might pay through cash. This you will do, right, in the sales process. So what we will say, if you pay something, we will say, okay, you have paid, we will tick and book and we will give some receipt to you because we don't have any application right now. After sales, what we are going to do? Service, right? What service we are giving? As part of service activities, we are giving live sessions, right?
Infrastructure for the school.
We are providing recorded sessions and we are providing some material to you. We are sending some quizzes. All these things we are doing. All these we are doing manually. We are loading in YouTube and we are sending you through WhatsApp. Or we are loading material in Google Drive and we are saying we have loaded material, you can go and check. We are giving some quiz in Google Form and we are sending you through WhatsApp. Live sessions, every time we might change links. and you don't know. So if we have some application, in that application, all these activities will be saved at one place. Where that applications are saved? In CRM. With that CRM, we can automate all activities. Marketing, sales, and service activities can be automated. So who will use that finally? Students will use it, right? And TCS is a company where they do IT development. And they approached us. Marketing and sales activities. Marketing activities is to promote our products. We are saying these are our product. We have Salesforce admin course. And we are providing this admin course for this much fees. And we are covering these things in the admin course. That we are telling to you people through some other mediums, WhatsApp, LinkedIn. Once promotion is done, we have sent Zoom link to you. You have joined our session now. After 2-3 days, what we will do is, okay, you have attended our sessions. If you like our sessions, you have to pay 6,000 rupees. Though that is the sales activity. This is a small company. We have this small activity. If it is very big company, there are some other activities. Those we will understand when we are going into the session. So TCS approached us. So they explained, okay, this is the application. If you take, there is very less usage of developers, and you can go get it for less cost. So this TCS is what? IT company. So who is the client here? Who is the client? CDCA. We are the client. You understood this now? We are the client, and TCS approached us. They said they are going to develop the application, and you are the students. And this application you are not going to use. Your next batch is going to use, but you as a Salesforce admins and developers, you are working for TCS and you are going to build application. You feel you are working for TCS now, and TCS approached us, CDCA. And future students will use this application. Here, 3 things you have to remember. Let me take this. Now, three entities are here, 3 pillars. In any IT organization, there are 3 pillars. First one is first pillar is end user. If there are end users, then only there will be business. These are called customers. In the second step, there is IT company. And here there is client. During our course, not you are joined with us, you people are joined with us. Now you are not student for us. You are Salesforce admin and Salesforce developers. And you are working for IT company called TCS. You assume that you are working for TCS company as Salesforce administrator and developers. Okay. And there is sales department. Sales department in TCS. They approached us. They approached us. And they approached us and they kept this proposal. So now what they explained is, they said about budget. If you take Salesforce Developer Edition account, we can build account. You no need to pay. It is a free account. For this, you will have to pay zero money to Salesforce. And to develop the application, we charge some $10,000. So we agreed for this. We have done with this, right? We have done with this or not? We have created Salesforce Developer Edition account, right? Getting any confusion? Any confusion? I hope everything is clear for you. We have created Salesforce Developer Edition account and we have paid some $5,000 to TCS. Now what they said is, okay, it is done from sales department. We have signed agreement with TCS and CDCA. I am explaining the real-time process, what happens. Now, TCS has decided to allocate team for the project. They have named this project as CDCA training application. This is the project. Which technology, which skills? Technology is Salesforce. So they have allocated some 8 people in the project to develop this application. CDCA training application, they have allocated 8 people or 20 people to the project. So now it is done. What is the next step? What is the next step? Who is client here? Who is client here? CDCA, right? Now, client has to tell, I want my application like this or not. They have to tell or not? What they have to give? They have to give their project requirements. CDCA has to give project requirements. What project requirements they have to give? I need application like this. Someone from CDCA, one person from CDCA, they will explain to higher management of Salesforce, TCS. You might not involve in this process. Later, these requirements are explained to either technical architect or solution architect. They explain requirements to them. The solution architect or technical architect will discuss with you people, Salesforce admin and developers. Swapna is a solution architect. She is solution architect and she is manager. And these people from CDCA, she is working for us. Like let's assume she is working for TCS, and from CDCA, we have discussed with Swapna. These are our requirements. She will come to you. She will come to you people. You are working as Salesforce admin and developers. You are working under Swapna for TCS. She will tell, we are going to build this application in this month. And your duties are this, your duties are this. For marketing, sales and service, we need this kind of functionality. Throughout the course, you are going to discuss with Swapna about these project requirements and development. She is teaching you, she is going to teach you everything. What she is going to teach you? She will teach you technical aspects, technical. And she will teach you advanced concepts in Salesforce. Then she will discuss about project. And she will give these project requirements to you to develop the application. So you will build this entire application and that will be used by end customers. That is next batch students. While using the application, who uses application? End users uses application. End users uses application. If they get any problem, to whom they will contact? To whom they will contact? End users. Our students are using application. We say we have uploaded some material and they are not able to see. To whom they will contact? To whom they will contact? CDCA, right? Right?
Yes.
What we will do? We will create a case for them. If something problem with the application. We'll approach TCS and we will create a case. Or we say as user story. That user story should be resolved. So process goes on like this. End user will be using the application. If they get any problem, they contact CDCA. CDCA contacting the IT company because these people are developing the application. You understood the flow of IT application, how it goes, and what we are going to do in the course? Understood? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So this is what we are going to do. End users are students. And storage CA is, client is who?
Client, CDC.
Who is IT company?
TCS.
And who are the admins and developers?
TCS developers.
You admin and developer. As an admin and developer, you are going to build the application for CDCA. Right? I hope this is clear to you now. Who are three pillars of IT company?
End users,
Yes.
IT,
Yes.
IT company, client.
These three are the three pillars in IT industry.
End user customers,
Yeah.
IT company,
And
Service based.
client.
client.
So who gives requirements to IT company?
Client.
Client.
Who works in IT company to configure, customize, and develop Salesforce applications?
Solution.
Solution.
Technical solution.
So Salesforce developers, Salesforce
Admins.
admins,
Admin.
solution architect, technical architects, and you.
Quality.
You might get any one of the designation. And who uses Salesforce application?
Customer.
Yeah. End user, customers. This is what I want to explain in today's session. Everybody clear about this session? Any doubts?
Yes.